Hey all, my name is Orit and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what to do when your favorite bra has a wire come out. So I have a quick fix for this. I basically push the wire piece inside as much as I can. You can see I even squeeze this. Now you can see all this upper piece is without the wires, so I'm going to place a pin here to stop. Let me find my pins. Basically the pin is a marker. I want to mark the point where I cannot sew, and I also want to stop the wire from going up. Okay, see? So now I'm going to sew this upper part, just front, back, to the side, whatever I can in order to secure it and have it really seal in the wire inside. So I'm going to place it in the sewing machine. I'm going to be careful since I have a metal decoration on the other side and I don't want it to break my needle. So I'm going to push it aside and then just sew over this part over and over again. The best stitch to use for this fix is a zigzag stitch. Anyway, if you don't have a sewing machine, not a problem, you can use a needle and a thread. Just go over the stitch back and forth until you create a lump that will block the wire from exiting the opening. So let's start. I don't know if you can see, it's basically back and forth so that it will seal the opening of the wire. So I'm going to remove my pins and also remove the pin I placed here so that the decoration will not be sewed in. And that's it. The wire is sealed inside and cannot move anymore. And my bra is very nice and back to its old self, and I can use it now. So thanks for watching. If you like this quick fix video, please like and subscribe. Please comment if you have any question, if you want me to show you how to do something. It really helped my channel grow. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.